Okay, so let's start step 6, add the drawer and routing. Goal of this step is add drawer widget and add routing. Okay, so let's get started. First, add drawer widget. We can choose widget from these links. And you see drawer here, so please click this link. And you see output of this. Like this. So, oops, sorry. Please copy this code and go back, open editor and home page. So please paste this and copy the drawer part. Okay. And the app bar, paste this code and fix indent. Oops. Okay. And remove this code. And check the output. Okay, so door was successfully added. Looks nice. And I will edit this title. So one is for login and one is for register. Save this, check output. Okay, so I also want to edit the icon. So go back to document. So this icon, I choose this icon. But maybe there is a better icon for this. So paste this. And again. Paste this. Oh, this is same, sorry. So check the output. Okay, looks nice. Okay, we finished this section. And next section, I will add routing to this drawer, this and this. If you click this link, you will direct to login page or register page.